This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the maximum flight altitude in this drone. At the start, open the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, open Settings, select the first section here, that is MC Settings, and scroll it down and look for the maximum altitude. Now tap over here. Use your keyboard to input whatever maximum altitude value you would like for it to have. So as you can see, the UI here is pretty inconvenient, but that's fine. So let's say I'll set it to 100 meters and then confirm the change to, well, set this value to the preferred level. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.